Ahmed Didat, could you quote and give the reference from the glorious Quran stating the holy Injil has been corrupted? And if not, then tell us when it was corrupted, by whom, and where exactly is it changed?
Mr. Chairman and my dear brethren, you see, I started this talk of mine with some incantation, some recitation. I was not trying to mesmerize or hypnotize you. I was actually uttering the words from the Quran, instructing us, telling us, informing us that the scriptures that the Christians are talking about, the Bible, is their own creation. I repeat what I had said, I read and I'll give you the translation. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِهِمْ. Said, woe to them who write the book with their own hands, then say this is from God. فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا. That they may benefit from it some small reward. Like the $15 million net profit they made on the RSV. $15 million is very small compared to eternity. Compared to God's, goodness, His salvation is nothing, 15 million. So, وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ. So woe to them what their hands do write. وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ. And woe to them for what they earn. In other words, I was proving to you all along, actually I was giving you all a commentary on that Quranic verse without going into details because I knew time was at a premium. Originally we had agreed to a format of an hour each, and for some mysterious reason I was robbed of 20 minutes, so I had to cut short everything. I have so much more to give, which I'm now reserving for tomorrow night. So the thing is this now, this was actually a commentary of this situation, that this book is written with their own hands. You add in and you take out. You add in and you delete. Look, this is proof enough. The books that you have in your hand is a proof that the books have been changed. You have been changing them. And out of the 24,000 manuscripts, I said no two are identical. That's a challenge. No two of those manuscripts are identical.